Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Do you have a problem with lint? This'll take care of it.
This lint brush is amazing. My whole family loves it. It works so well. It comes with a little friend, a little portable one that you can put in your purse. And I love the brush on the top of both of these. It's made of silicone and it really gets in there to get up some. I use it for like cat fur and things like that. It's really cool and it's just handy to have. So I want to show you how well this thing works. I used it on my carpet and I vacuumed like probably 3 times over the same area to make sure. Look at all that nasty dirt in there. And then I used this lint brush and I went at it. I scraped it up using the little brush on the other side. And then let me show you all the dirt that I got. This is after vacuuming 3 times. It's disgusting. Now, let me show you how easy this is to clean. This is my favorite part of this lint brush. It comes right off. You can use this over and over again, and you're not going to lose the stickiness in it.
So this lint roller keeps my family looking nice and clean and lint-free, and I know it'll help yours too. But that's just my point of view.